Hi guys, this is Noor. Welcome back to my channel. So today I kind of wanted to do a replenishment. I believe I have this video somewhat posted in the past on my channel, but I just wanted to kind of replenish and go ahead and film it again and show you guys how to apply lashes. I find lashes for people for the first time could be really difficult to go ahead and apply lashes, but I'm going to show you a really easy, fun way to go ahead and apply lashes without even complicating yourself at all. So this is a mini story before going ahead and kind of showing you the application. When I first started with lashes, I really started with lashes that did not cost that much, so I can kind of go ahead and practice. So these are really ideal if you guys want to use them. These are the Walmart one, the Kiss lashes. You can grab any pair of lashes you want to go ahead and practice at first. So what I used to do is that I used to cut them in half and stick one side and then the other side, and it helped me a lot till one day I decided to kind of grab the whole band, put a glue on and stick them on. And this could be kind of a trick that you can start doing before applying a full band on, but hopefully this video is going to be simple and easy and quick for you to go ahead and apply a full band right away. So before you go ahead and watch the application, I'm just going to mention a brand that I'm going to be featuring in this application video, or how to apply lashes video. This is a brand that dears a lot to my heart. You guys have no idea. That was created from my dearest and closest friend ever. Her name is Nadia. I worked with Nadia when I was in MAC Cosmetics. She was actually a manager of mine, and I knew how badly she wanted to kind of create her own thing later on in the future, and to kind of have it with me right here, holding her products, using her products on me. I am just super duper proud of her. You have no idea. I'll be doing another video because she sponsored me a couple of her lashes, and I really want to sit down and talk about her company, talk about Nadia a little bit more, and also show you the different styles about these lashes. But just to let you know that I'm going to be using her brand today to show you how to apply the lashes, and it's called CrownLashes. So these are lashes called Picture Perfect. You're going to see them in more details within this video. I'm also using her glue. I'm also using her lash curler and her tweezer. I just cannot tell you how much I love the packaging and the color and everything about this brand. Just because it's rose gold, I absolutely freaked out. I'm so into rose gold. I don't know if you can tell a little bit of my desk right there, but I kind of have quite a few rose golds going on my desk and in my room a little bit. So if you guys want to know how to apply lashes, please keep on watching. Alright, who's ready to know how to apply lashes? Let me just tell you guys that this is really easy and simple. All you need to do is practice and you're gonna get it. So I went ahead and I curled my lashes already using this lash curler, also from CrownLashes. It's the same brand, and I'm also going to be using CrownLashes tweezers for this too, using CrownLashes glue as well. And last but not least, of course, can't forget these babies. These are the CrownLashes that we have right here, and they come in this box like that, and it comes in a plastic container like this, which is really awesome. So it does say here they are usable up to 15 times. Obviously they can go more than 15 times. It just depends on how well you take care of the lashes. And these are called Picture Perfect. So I'm quite excited to show you how to apply lashes. So like I mentioned, I already went ahead and I curled my lashes and I applied a little bit of mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras, Benefit They're Real. I just added a little layer of this as well. Very important for you to do first is to go ahead and measure the lashes. You can measure it on top or at the bottom. So easier for me is to go ahead and measure them at the bottom like that. So this is a trick. What's the most important about lashes is that you need to go ahead and cut them to fit your size. Unfortunately, I don't have a mini scissors with me. I have big ones like that. So Bunny, please, I need mini scissors here, and they need to be rose gold. I already went ahead and I cut them. So I always like to cut from the shorter inner part first and then avoid the long part. So never cut from outside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a little bit from the inner corners so it just doesn't pick me on the inner corners, because some lashes tends to do so. So when that is done already, I'm just gonna grab my tweezers just hold them on like so. Take some of the glue, put some glue on the band. Now this is a really awesome glue because it goes on blue like you see, and then it goes clear once you have it on your lashes. Once you have them coated with the glue, it should look like this. So what I would recommend is just wave them a bit so it gets a little bit tacky. Once the glue is tacky, it's way easier to go ahead and apply them on. They just stick on right away. So I'm just gonna wave them out like that for a little bit. I have a small mirror here. I mean, if you have a small mirror, it's easy to go ahead and use it while you apply lashes, because my trick for you is to always look down at the mirror like so you can really see the lashes and you can really see the lash line where you're gonna put the lashes on. So I'm just looking down on my mirror right here, and I'm going really close as possible and putting them on my skin like that. So once you have them placed, you're gonna go ahead and correct the position. So you're just gonna go ahead and take the tweezer, stick in the inner corners first, and then go ahead and stick out the outer corners. And you want to make sure that you do this process really close to the lash line as possible. And then my trick is to go ahead and squeeze the real ones with the fake ones. So once you have your mirror here, you're just gonna grab your tweezer and you're just going to squeeze the real ones with your fake ones. So like that, you don't have a gap. Now, if you guys notice that I don't really have any liner to go with this. This is an option that I chose with this look, but you can always go ahead and apply a little bit of a liner, whether it's smudged or a wing liner. It's also very easy to do, but I'm just doing this video to show you guys that you can definitely apply these lashes without any liner. There you go. So once they're on and they're not going anywhere. So this is how they look like. I'm actually filming a tutorial right now concerning this look, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up and I'll come back to show you the finished results of these lashes. So this is how you apply lashes. Isn't it easy? It should be easy. If you practice, then it's gonna be really easy to go ahead and do it. My trick, honestly, is to look down in the mirror. It's the most easiest way you can do it. Also, make sure that you have the proper glue and tools to go ahead and apply the lashes. The trick is to also have lashes that are really comfortable on your eye, that is not gonna bother you to the day. Trust me, it's the most annoying thing ever to have a feeling that your lashes is picking you, whether in the inner corners or kind of picking you somewhere on your lid. Trust me, I've had that before and I kind of wanted to rip my eyeballs out. I'm not even joking, but I have to tell you guys that these lashes fit perfectly. I don't feel them on my lashes. They're super comfortable. The band is really comfortable. They look really nice, really natural. Looks like I have eyeliner on, which I don't, like I mentioned in the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Make sure you check out the info box if you want to know more details about CrownLashes, and also their website if you want to go ahead and look at the different styles and get yourself an idea. If you want to purchase any of them, let me know. What do you think about them? What do you think about the company? Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and do another video talking more into details about CrownLashes. I'm thinking about creating a video like I have no eyeshadow on, just mascara and lashes, and kind of show you the different lashes that she has and the different lashes that she sponsored me. I think that would be really cool to kind of like show you before and after, and the different styles that she owns in the company too. I have a few, I don't have all of them. Hopefully one day I will. But this is the only one pair that I use, and I have to tell you guys that I am obsessed, that I love them so much, and I cannot wait to try the other styles. Yes, girl, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.